So I was gonna do this outside earlier, but I ran out of time, and now the weather has gotten a little weird. It's super foggy for Colorado, which is weird, and kind of cold. So I'm doing this inside now. So this is the unboxing for my Darn Good yarn. So this one I have not unboxed yet. It came while we were gone on our cruise, so it's not quite current. But what we got inside is this beautiful, I don't know if it shows up on the video very well, but it's sparkly. So it's these colors with pretty sparkles in it. And some markers to mark where you're at on your projects. And then the instruction book for the project this time, which will be a crochet. Oh, we have two. So we have either a boardwalk scarf or a cloud shawl. So there's the scarf and there's the shawl. Shawl looks really pretty, but kind of flimsy. So I might do the scarf instead. The knitters have something similar. They have a cloud shawl as well and a cowl. Which I kind of like the cowl. I may try and adapt that a little bit. Anyway, that's my most recent yarn box.